In a world where luxury cars have become predictable, Mercedes-Benz has decided to flip the script. Enter the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos series. Not just a vehicle, but a handcrafted, rolling statement of dominance, exclusivity, and bespoke. Luxury. This isn't merely about comfort or performance. This is about creating an object so rare, so intentional. It challenges the very definition of what a luxury car should be. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the SL Mythos looks unlike anything in Mercedes' lineup. It's based on the SL class. Roadster, but everything about this version is elevated to an entirely different plane. The long hood, the low-slung stance, the custom two-seat Roadster layout. It screams elegance without needing to try. What makes it even more special? It's not mass-produced. The Mythos series is for an elite handful of individuals globally. You don't just buy it, you're invited to own it. The exterior design is a masterclass in restraint and power. The sleek, sculpted lines are carved to reflect light with precision, showing off its deep, glossy paint in an almost liquid-like finish. The oversized Maybach grille at the front is both a visual anchor and a bold proclamation. Subtle Maybach badging on the sides, massive forged alloy wheels, and rose gold accents throughout reinforce one thing. This car isn't just for transportation, it's for presentation. But it's what's inside that truly makes you pause. Open the electronically controlled doors and step into an interior that has more in common with a private jet lounge than any car on the road. Everything you see, touch, and interact with feels intentional and unapologetically premium. Hand-stitched leather seats wrapped in exclusive color palettes, high gloss wood inlays, and real metal trims that feel cold to the touch. No plastic pretending to be chrome here. The seats offer not just heating and cooling, but dynamic massage, functions that adjust in real time based on your posture and drive mode. The cabin lighting isn't just ambient, it's adaptive, changing mood, tone, and behavior, depending on your location, time of day, and even your playlist. The MBUX Hyperscreen spreads across the entire dash, intuitively responding to voice, gesture, and touch. The sound system? A custom-tuned Burmeister 4D surround, set up with speakers built into the seats themselves. Not just heard, but felt. Performance is no afterthought. Under the hood, you'll find a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 bi-turbo engine, Maybach Signature. Heartbeat producing over 600 horsepower. But this isn't the kind of car you floor at a green light. It's engineered for smoothness, silence, and authority. The air suspension system glides over roads like a magic carpet. Acceleration is powerful but polished. This car isn't about raw speed. It's about delivering power so effortlessly that you barely feel it. Even the roof is a showstopper, a power-attractable soft top that disappears in seconds, giving you open sky luxury at the push of a button. And when it's up, the cabin remains whisper quiet. Thanks to next-gen insulation and acoustic dampening, it's clear the 2025 Mythos SL wasn't built to chase trends. It was built to redefine them. Every detail from the bespoke badging to the handcrafted controls exists to elevate the driving experience into something ceremonial. For Mercedes, this is not just a car. This is their statement of intent. A celebration of heritage fused with forward-thinking artistry. You can't option your way into a Mythos SL. You either belong to the circle or you admire it from a distance. The 2025 Maybach SL Mythos isn't just luxury, it's legacy in motion. And once you see it, you'll never look at other luxury cars the same way again.